Namaskar class. As today in class also we have discussed about the different type of festivals. So first of all I will tell you the what do you mean by festival time. Means festival time is the time when you get new clothes, we enjoy special food and we exchange gifts with each other. So that is the time, it's a festival time. And festival are the time of celebration, they bring joy and happiness, and we share this joy and happiness with our friends and family. And we visit our friends and relatives and we used to exchange our gifts. This time we used to wear new clothes, we used to buy sweets, and we mama used to cook so many type of special dishes also. And we also visit some places of worship to pray, right? As we know that India is a country of festivals, we celebrate many type of festivals here. So today in this slide I'm going to tell you about the type of festivals. So as you can see, there is a three type of festival. First is religious festivals, national festivals, and harvest festivals. So now in this slide today we will discuss about the religious festival. So now I am going to show you the first religious festival which we are going to discuss. So as you in this picture you can see, this is a religious festival. It's a Diwali. So Diwali is a festival of lights. It is celebrated in the month of October or November. Diwali is celebrated by the Hindus to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years. And during this time people they used to decorate their homes and their offices with diyas and candles also. And people they used to exchange gifts and offer sweets to each other also, as you are also doing now. So now in this time people they used to celebrate Diwali by praying to goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. As you can see in the picture, you can see the picture idols of Lord Ganesha and Lakshmi ji. And people also they used to make rangoli with flowers and colors. And children they love bursting crackers, but always light crackers in the presence of your parents only. And when you are bursting crackers you should keep few things in your mind, that you should keep a bucket of water close by, and you should not disturb your neighbors, especially the old and sick people. As you know that crackers cause noise and air pollution, right? So the noise may harm our ears, people with breathing problems. So many people are having breathing problems also, so they will find it difficult to breathe also during this air pollution. And some people get burned while lighting the crackers also. We should be careful while bursting the crackers, right? Now, next religious festival is Holi. So, Holi is a festival of colors. It marks the welcome of spring season, and people they used to play with colors and water balloons. A special dish called gujia is made on Holi, and Holi spreads the message of equality and brotherhood among all humans. And during Holi, we should use organic and natural colors as they don't harm the skin. We should not use chemical colors. We should always use organic and natural colors. Right? So now next religious festival is Dashera, and it is celebrated to mark Lord Ram's victory over the demon Ravan. And Dashera is celebrated for 10 days, and it marks the victory of good over the evil. And during this time people they used to make the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakaran, and we used to burn them. As you know, Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi also. So means other name of Dashera is Vijayadashmi. And at many places Ram Leela is enacted. What do you mean by enacted? Means they are playing a role of Lord Ram's life. Means story of Ramayan. Ram Leela mein what happened? They used to play the story of Ramayan. It shows the life of Lord Ram. Okay. Now next religious festival is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates brother sister affection. And on this day, what sisters used to do? Sister used to tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist, and they pray for the long life and happiness of their brothers. And what the brother do? They used to give gifts or some money to them sister as a token of their love. Means they used to promise to help their sisters in the time of their need. Okay. Now next religious festival is Eid. Next religious festival is Eid, and Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. Means this time the Muslim people they used to keep fast for the whole month, and at the end of Ramzan they used to celebrate this Eid festival. On the day of Eid, people they used to wear new clothes and they go to mosques to offer prayers and they wish each them other Eid Mubarak. And during this time, they used to eat dessert called sevaiya. As we are eating gujia in Holi, na, so in the same way, during the Eid festival, they used to eat sevaiya. This is the special dish during the Eid festival. Now, next religious festival is Gurpurab. Next religious festival is Gurpurab. So, the Sikh people they used to celebrate the birthday of their 10th Guru as Gurpurab, and special importance is given to the birthday of their first Guru Guru Nanak Dev Ji and their 10th Guru Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And on this day, people go to Gurdwaras and listen kirtans also. They take out processions and eat from, and they used to sit and eat in a common kitchen that is known as langar. And people sit together and eat in the Gurudwaras. Okay. Now next religious festival is favorite of all, that is Christmas. And Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. On this day, whose birthday falls? The birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. And in this day, people go to the church for special prayers. They used to decorate Christmas trees and they sing carols. And children believe that Santa Claus will come at the midnight, and people and they will present Santa Claus will present them some gifts also. And people they used to exchange gifts and they used to eat plum cakes during this festival. And your Santa Claus is your parents only, because they used to give us gift, right? They used to give gifts to you, not to everyone. Okay, now next religious festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. It is also celebrated for 10 days. As we are celebrating Dashera for 10 days, in the same way, we used to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi also for 10 days. And Ganesh Chaturthi is basically celebrated in Maharashtra. And on the last day of the festival, idols of Lord Ganesha are taken out in procession and immersed in water bodies. And people they used to make sweet that is called as modak, and they used to offer them to Lord Ganesha because Lord Ganesha loves modak very much. Modaks means it's a kind of laddu. Okay. Now next religious festival is Durga Puja. Next religious festival is Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is also a festival which we celebrate for 10 days, as we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi and Dashera for 10 days. In the same way, we are celebrating Durga Puja also for 10 days. And on this day also, 10th day means idols of Lord Goddess Durga are immersed in water bodies. As same we are doing with on the Ganesh Chaturthi also. And Durga Puja is widely celebrated especially in West Bengal. We are celebrating Durga Puja in West Bengal and we are celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra, right? Now next religious festival is Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima. Mahavir Jayanti, this is the festival which is celebrated by Jainis, and it is a birthday of Lord Mahavir. And Buddha Purnima, Lord Buddha's birthday is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. And during this time, people they used to visit to temples to the listen mock talks and recite the teaching of Gautam Buddha on this day. Means they used to listen the stories of Gautam Buddha through the mocks. Okay, so in this slides we have done today religious festival. So once again repeat with me all the religious festival, and I will tell you all the names once again. So everyone revise with me. Are you ready to revise? Very good class. So first religious festival which we have discussed, that is Diwali. Next is Holi, and next is Dashehra. Next religious festival is Dashehra. Next is Raksha Bandhan. Next is Eid. Now this is Gurpurab. This is your favorite Christmas. This is picture of Ganesh Chaturthi. This is the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. This is Durga Puja, and this is Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima. Now in next slide we will discuss about national festivals. Till the time, have a nice day. Bye.